Say what's up, buddy.
What's up, guys?
There's no way it's 91 degrees outside. That's cap. Anyways, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless, back with another banger. You know how I'm coming, but we at the E85 kit, E85 station, bro. Putting E85 in a 5.0. Look at this carbon fiber though, bro. But anyways, as you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to go pick up my Scatpack right now. I just got some halos installed in my car. If you follow my IG, King Reckless 23, I got the halos a couple months ago actually, but I'm finally installing them now. I'm about to go ahead and just get it over with. I could have done it a long time ago, but I've been waiting on my cams. Speaking of the cams, I got good news to tell y'all, but I want to make an update video on that. It's good news, finally. Like, actually good news. I'll just say this. I got shipping confirmations. So y'all stay tuned for this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Bangers on bangers, man. Legendary content, no cap. No cap, no cap, no cap. I'm gonna say that 50 times. No, I'm just playing. Yeah, man, but it's a beautiful day outside today. It's pretty hot though, I ain't gonna hold you. We're in Texas. We got the 5.0 looking clean, bro, with the big ass radials. How much E85 here?
Cheap, just $1.59, not a gallon.
This is who steers the beast.
$6, man, y'all need E85, I'm telling you. It runs quicker, but fuck it, look, $9 and you full tank.
Hey, but I know y'all having a great video of Rudy's 5.0 is back in this thing. Y'all always asking for him. Rudy, just start a channel, man.
I told you I'm gonna start.
That's cap, that's cap.
Patiently wait.
Y'all go follow his IG, man, and stay tuned with this. Yeah, man, but we got legendary content today. We finna go take pics after. We're finna see how these halos look on my car. So y'all stay tuned, but let's get right into this video.
John Tommy made them pay
you know, we in the streets, nigga, we posted up. And we got them things on us too.
We get it out the mud. Man, I just wanna be rich. I'm just focused on the money to get out of this bitch. I got bigger dreams and my niggas gon' ride me dick. We here to live together, man, we gon' divide that shit. Don't try to stun on us, cause we'll end up taking your shit. Yeah, you can try to get it back and get shot in your shit. We the most say that in the road, they say we.
You got saved by the bell. Another day. There's my beast.
Here's your keys.
Appreciate it, appreciate it.
So,
you got the lights on right now?
Yeah. Well, I don't have them on.
Okay.
Yet. I want to hook up your phone real quick so you can get them on. So there's a waterproof plug right here that you can pull up. It's down here. So if you ever have to reset it, just disconnect this for a second, and then you got your app pulled up. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna reconnect it. So if you ever get a new phone, or if it ever gives you any issues, so you go here. And then you can name it whatever you want.
Look who it is. God damn.
Like
What you think,
man?
Man, this looks way better than I thought it was gonna look.
Hey, y'all think I should get them too or what?
Yeah.
Y'all comment below and throw them down there.
Y'all think you'll kill it? You think I'll kill it with them lights? I don't know. But at night, yeah, y'all might be right at night. She might be all nasty and mean looking if I get them lights too.
You got all the lights on. The heat alone can cause just a little bit of motion there. Condensation. Like the halo problems. What problem are you having now?
The demon.
Green and red so far are my favorite. That pink do go hard. Damn. Yellow. That's the white, right? Like that's the right in the middle.
Yeah, you'll save it. So they're always gonna be a little bit blue during the day.
Yeah.
When it's nighttime, they're a little more white. But that's kind of the issue with the RGBW stuff.
Yeah, it's not like white before. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, we are now leaving the place. Just installed my halos. I didn't know if I wanted to record him or not, because some people don't like the camera being on them. But I'm gonna show y'all when I get to the wash. I'm about to wash my car. I'm about to show y'all more of the halos on my car. But man, it looks crazy. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. I took so long to do it. He did a great job. But he did tell me not to really put the power washer on the halos just for like 48 hours. But I'm gonna shout out his page and everything. If y'all are in this area and wanna get y'all's halos installed, y'all stay tuned. the settings, and I got this thing to look like a police car. Damn, that bitch fresh. Ooh. We're pulling people over in 2020. Hey, they like that man on my channel. On the camera, it looks so dark on the tent. Look at the front windshield. I got the 38 baby face mask. I ain't playing games. And he got the Travis Scott one. Look at that. Cactus Jack. No games being played. We finna head out now. We finna go take some pics at the dam. Find some good spots to take pics. Hey, y'all stay tuned for my next mod too, cause I need this thing to get lower, way lower. It's on springs and there's still a gap. Like, I want this thing to be tight right here. We gonna get it there though. Y'all stay tuned. We finna head out.
Where did you go?
We're on the main road.
Alright man, we switching to the GoPro footage. We about to get some rollers in. Man, this view is amazing outside.
I'm gonna have you on the phone because this camera don't zoom in, so I need you to stay right there where I tell you. I'm gonna call you.
Alright, driving a 5.0 now. Alright buddy, be safe. That's a legendary dude right there. I swear I have bad luck with this thing though. Every time I'm in his car, it always shuts off on me. He needs to get it retuned for those that are asking. Got it. Well, that was nice. That red definitely popped out at night, bro. All right, I'm gonna change it to green now. See how green looks. Oh my gosh,
boy.
Bro. Green go harder than red in my opinion. How would y'all feel if I put no cap on my shirt, on my merch? Damn, what's going on over here, bro? Oh man, they searching that bitch shit.
Yeah, because they didn't subscribe, that's why.
Alright family, as you can see it is a new day. I need to find out a name to call y'all, like a gang. I know all these big YouTubers got names they call their subscribers. I need a name to call y'all. Y'all comment, nah, y'all ain't gonna comment down below, I gotta make the name. But I need to think of a name to call y'all, cause y'all my family, you feel me? But before I end this video, I wanna show y'all, I ain't really show y'all how to control the lights really, to be honest. But the app I use, this is the app, Magic Light. But it got a lot of features. Look, let me go ahead and turn it on. Bam, that's white. Man, red looks so crazy. But yeah, basically you just be pressing the buttons. Green, blue. You can go up here and change it to any color. But what's crazy is you can go over here and make some custom modes that you want, like that one. They even got a camera scanner. You take a picture of the color. Like, watch. I'm gonna take a picture of that. It's red now, watch. That's crazy. I'm telling y'all, these lights are a big must-have. If you have a Dodge Challenger or a Charger, you gotta go. And I dropped the man's Instagram. So y'all go rock with the man. He's probably the best out right now. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was just a quick little video installing my Halos. They came out amazing, like I said, like y'all saw. Y'all comment down below if y'all like them. More bangers to come. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. But I'm King Reckless and I'm out. Peace.
Fuck 12, nigga. Them bitches at the door now. What the fuck, nigga? Growing up, it was right, I don't give it up. Running from them dicks, they do